A shocking and disturbing case has left many South Africans outraged after a 34-year-old Burundian national described in court as a pastor appealed before court on charges of attempted murder following the brutal stabbing of comedian and actor Pastor Mjosti's sister. According to police, the accused allegedly attacked Nomtanda Zombele, stabbing her more than 40 times in a violent assault. Her younger daughter was also injured while the terrifying incident unfolded. Despite suffering dozens of stab wounds, Mbele survived the attack and was rushed to hospital where she received emergency medical treatment. Her daughter's injuries were also treated and investigation into the incident continue. Authorities allege the attack may have been motivated by Nomtandazo's family connection to her brother, Pastor Mjosti, who has publicly voiced his support for the March and March movement. The movement, founded by Jacinta Ngobese Zuma in 2024, has gained national attention for campaigning for stricter enforcement of South Africa's immigration laws and tighter border security. Its marches and public demonstrations have sparked heated debate across the country, drawing both strong support and criticism. While investigators are examining whether the alleged attack was politically or ideologically motivated, no court has made findings on the suspect's motive. The accused currently faces a charge of attempted murder, and the matter has been postponed as investigations continue. Additional charges could be considered depending on the outcome of the investigation. The incident has reignited discussions on political intolerance, public safety, and violence linked to differing views on immigration. Many South Africans have taken to social media to express support for Nomtanda Zombele and to wish her a full recovery. As the legal process unfolds, authorities are urging the public to allow the courts to determine the facts and have appealed for anyone with additional information to come forward. Thank you so much for watching.